All right, so this is part 2 of our video. Again, the last property we're going to learn about. I've kind of got a head start here of expanding this c over d raised to the 4th power by writing it out 1, 2, 3, 4 factors of it, right? So if we multiply these in the numerator, there's 4 factors, and lo and behold, also 4 factors in the denominator, right? So hopefully this one makes pretty much easy sense, right? I'm not going to talk about that one. That's just going to take too long for me to write out. So I just did these other ones where what's in the parentheses is getting raised to the 3rd power. So that fraction, we're going to show it getting multiplied 3 times. So technically what we have is the numerator is getting multiplied by itself 3 times, and the denominator is getting multiplied by itself 3 times. Same thing down here. Oh, I guess I got a little carried away. There's only 2 factors of this, right? But the numerator of the m is going to get squared, and the denominator of 3 is going to get squared. And we can simplify that. We'll simplify it down here. We had a to the 3rd and b to the 3rd. We had m squared and also 3 squared, which is just 9. So here, we're still doing this kind of distribute idea, that exponent is going to go with the numerator and with the denominator, okay? And anything and everything down there based on what we just saw in the previous video, right? Okay, so this is called the power of quotients. Quotients meaning I am dividing. And we see it mostly as fractions, and that this whole fraction is getting multiplied this many times. So when we multiply fractions, we multiply the top numbers times the top numbers this many times. And we'll multiply the denominator that many times as well. So again, it's like this distributive property idea, okay? So if we distribute this to the numerator and the denominator, pretty easy, right? Distribute this to the numerator and the denominator, to the 10 over n to the 10. We're going to distribute this. Now, I have a question for you. When you see the numerator and the denominator are the same, what should we also know? It's just 1, because if we subtracted 5 minus 5, we get c to the 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay, now something to know is that we have you memorize a lot of those exponents because we want you to be able to simplify. And so this is going to be 16 over f to the 4. So if we can do the math in our head, we need to. If we can't, then sometimes we'll just leave it. Okay, this one's going to be 3 to the 3rd. Hopefully you have that one memorized. As a to the 3rd over 27. And c to the 99 over d to the 99. Now because these aren't the same base, there's really nothing I can do to simplify if they were the same base. Like here, I might be able to do something, right? Okay, so again, this is our power of quotients. And you might want to have these in front of you when you're ready to do your assignments for this lesson. On Monday, we're going to take some time to compile all of these together and practice them intermixed, okay?